Did you know that October is car care month? And my favorite time of year, I love all the fall colors, and fall weather is my favorite. I love the 60s. It's great weather. And here we want to talk about some tips for you for your vehicle. So number one, you should definitely get your brakes and tires checked. We're coming into what's going to get slippery weather conditions, and you definitely want good tires, and you want to be able to stop, right? Check and replace fluids as needed, transmission, coolant, brake, etc. Definitely have your lights checked, headlights, things like that. You might have dim headlights. You can get those buffed out so then you can see better. So you definitely want bright headlights. Make sure you don't have out brake lights, that your battery is going to withstand the winter. So if it's on a lower side on the charge, you definitely want to replace that battery before winter. An emergency kit, have a couple blankets, stuff like that, a flashlight, things that you're going to be able to handle if you got stuck on the side of the road and you got to wait for AAA or something to help you. And I love this one, help your driving technique. So pay attention, and we know the first drive of the winter when there's snow or it's slippery, nobody remembers how to drive. So be careful, be safe, and be smart about your driving. So give us a call at Carz Russ if you need your vehicle inspected for October.
877-4277